Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can protect and unprotect an Excel worksheet. So let's start. This is our workbook and this is our PNL worksheet. Uh, if we want to protect this worksheet, we have to do this by giving a password. Uh, we have to put our mouse pointer right here and right click. You will see an option called Protect Sheet. Click on that. Give a simple password. I'm giving 123, or you can give any password. uh, you'll see that just untick all this. If there is tick mark, you can tick on these two. Okay, then click OK. They will ask for the same password again, 123. Okay, so now you cannot do you can only select uh, different cells, locked or unlocked, but you cannot do inserting, deleting, or anything. Okay, if you want to insert anything, all these options are closed. Okay, you cannot uh, do anything on these rows. You cannot insert any row, delete, or do anything. So this worksheet is now completely protected. But uh, these worksheets, these worksheets are not protected. Okay, so you can uh, change anything. You can, okay, do anything you like on other worksheets because these are not protected. This is only protected. So this is how you can protect a worksheet. Now if you want to unprotect it, then put your mouse pointer here, right click, unprotect sheet, uh, type your password. Okay, so now this sheet is uh, completely free, unprotected. Now you can see all these options here, and you can do anything with your columns, with your rows. Okay, so this sheet is now free. So this is how we can protect or unprotect any worksheet. There are several other methods, but I'm showing you just one method. uh, you can figure out the other methods if you think that is necessary. uh, I'm adding something more, that if you want to protect any sheet with giving some particular permissions to anyone, then you can do it by putting your mouse pointer right here, protect sheet, uh, give your password, and you can give the respective permissions from here. Then that means if you give anyone the permission that he or she will be able to insert columns or insert rows or delete columns or delete rows, you can uh, tick mark on them and click OK. By this, they will be able to do inserting, deleting rows and columns. Okay, so we right now we are not giving anyone that privilege, so we're canceling this. So this is how we can protect and unprotect uh, worksheets. That's all for today, and thank you very much.